Hey everybody, it's me Ian. Welcome back for some more Undertale. In the last episode we did some stuff and now we're gonna do some more stuff. But shit. Let's go to the shop. What? Please don't hurt my Take. Holy shit, what? What am I wearing right now? Okay. This is weird, guys. Like, I don't remember. I don't go through. This is all a surprise for me. Like, oh my G. Oh my G. In. Huh? This is all so weird. There's like no one here. Monster Kid! Hey, you're still on my side. Yo, everyone ran away and hid somewhere. Man, adults can be so dumb sometimes. Haha. Don't they know we've got Undyne to protect us? What about Grillby's? No one's in Grillby's. You can't go through the fire exit because you're not made of fire. Hey, how about I play What's New Pussycat 21 times? The jukebox is broken. Okay, yeah, what the fuck? Hey everybody! I'm the king of the world! But there's like nobody here in Snowden. No one's in there. No one's there. Not even the ice chucking man is there. Is anyone in the library? No one's in the library. What the fuck? That's Sans and Papyrus's house. It's locked from the inside. Wait, do we gotta go kill Papyrus now? Oh fuck, I think we have to kill Papyrus. Halt, human! Hey, quit moving while I'm talking to you. I, the great Papyrus, have some things to say. First, you're a freaking weirdo. Not only do you not like puzzles, but the way you shamble about from place to place, the way your hands are always covered in dusty powder, it feels like your life is going down a dangerous path. However, I, Papyrus, see great potential within you. Everyone can be a great person if they try, and me, I hardly have to try at all. Hey, quit moving. This is exactly what I am talking about. Human, I think you are in need of guidance. Someone needs to keep you on the straight and narrow. But worry not, I, Papyrus, will gladly be your friend and tutor. I will turn your life right around. I see you are approaching. Are you offering a hug of acceptance? Wowie! My lessons are already working. I, Papyrus, welcome you with open arms. Papyrus is sparing? Well, that's not what I expected. But, still, I believe in you. You can do a little better, even if you don't think so. I promise. Ah! Papyrus! Papyrus, no! Papyrus! Monster Kid! Yo, are you sneaking out to see her too? Awesome. She's the coolest, right? I want to be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here. Haha. It's strangely silent. 18 left. So we have to kill 18 monsters in this region? This is a box. Yeah. What do I want? No rocks falling today. Yo, Undyne. Holy shit. Papyrus? Huh? But I thought we killed Papyrus. What are you doing there? Wait, Papyrus, what? Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome. I'm so jealous. She was just standing there waiting forever, and then you just... Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. $18 left. Oh. Aaron flexes in. Well, fuck you, Aaron. No need for a swimming suit. Fuck. Okay, screw you, Aaron. You won. However, I wonder what the sign says. Congratulations, you failed the puzzle. Except the lily pads were already here for some reason. I know these... Shit. Out! Darn spot. Oh, those sparkles hurt too? You won. Okay, I guess I want to take time and read these flowers. It's strangely wishing room. Wait, never mind. These are all silent. Let's look at the stars. Check the wall. I know to check the wall. What? But wait, what was down there? Nothing. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Alright, we won. Something's... I want to grind in this room. Something just telling me to grind. You walk and small. Yeah. Die, bitch. Tortilla. I wonder if we're gonna get to Undyne. I don't think we are. No, we're not. And if enemies will show up, that'd be greatly appreciated. What does these signs say? Ancient writing covers a wall. You can the war of humans and monsters. Shit. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It wouldn't take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness. Hold on. My phone is possessed. Because it just turned itself on, and now it's pressing buttons. Hold on. What the fuck, phone? What the fuck, phone? What are you doing? But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it is the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body, even after death. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with a human soul, a horrible beast with unfathomable power. It's an illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing. Oh. Right. Fuck! Oh no. Here she comes. Don't get hit by those arrows, man. You know what happens when you get hit with those arrows. Okay, now you do. Now you know now you know what happens when you get hit with the arrows. Oh, I'm losing health fast. Oh no. Shit! I mean... Hey, it's Monster Kid! Undyne just like walks away like, oh my god. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me. I'm never watching my face again. Man, are you unlucky? If you were standing just a little bit to the left, yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. Freaking Monster Kid. This cheese has been here so long, a magical crystal is going around and stuck to the table. It's strangely silent. 12 left. Okay. So we need to kill 12 more. Sans, where are you at, buddy? It's an odd looking telescope. It's a box storing punch cards. It's empty right now. Oh, we can't buy an ice cream. Okay, let's go down here. There's enemies in this room, right? What's over here? What's the point of this room? Is there supposed to be? It's a pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it? Yeah. But ballet shoes? What do we need ballet shoes for? Weapon. Oh, it's a weapon. Okay. I'll take it. If I can just find an enemy. I think there are enemies in this room. Yeah. Okay. Whoa! Phew, I'm sweating. Whoa, we don't want to get attacked by your sweat glands. Someone keeps messaging me. Screw them. So I guess I should just grind in here. Hey, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a water. Never mind. There's water in here. But I'm gonna finish this quickly. Fuck. Should I go downstairs and get a water? Or should I just drink the water that I have here right now? It's not a lot. It's like half the bottle. Whatever, let me just drink half the bottle right now. Oh, a fight. Ah! Oh. Aaron is sweating bullets. Phew, I'm sweating. Freaking the winky face, yo. Aaron, you need to chill. Smells like an underwater barnyard. Was I about to act? Education. Aaron is admiring his muscles. So close. Come on in, the water's fine. Yeah, how about no? Aaron's muscles droop comically? I won! I hope y'all don't mind if I just, it's strangely stuff. I hope y'all don't mind that I grind in here. The power to take the sources of power that the humans feared. Hey, Onion San! Onion San! Where are you at, Onion San? I want to speak with you, Onion San. I want to talk to you about Uncle Sam. Come on, fam. Come on out. San? Sam? Onion San! Oh. Didn't mean to kill her. Well, I mean, I did, but... Piano room. I forgot how the piano puzzle went. Okay, wait, I got this. I got that. Y'all don't see nothing. Y'all don't see anything, right? Okay, I got this. Got it! Okay. It's a legendary artifact. Will you take it? You're carrying too many dogs? You're carrying too many Get this annoying dog out of here. No! Not the dog song! The dog absorbs the artifact. You fudger! Come back! Great, we have dog residue. Oh, wonderful. Y'all, I'm gonna put on some cool music for y'all. I did this. Let me show y'all what I did. I took tutorial fight theme, and I liked midied it. Listen to this. Hold on, wait. Isn't my mixtape fire? Just kidding. I know my mixtape is fire. Y'all don't have to say anything. Shoot. Okay. Back to Undertale. Now, if an enemy could please come. Can an enemy just come already? Fine, don't come. See if I care. Here, buddy. do 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 do. My phone! What the hell are you doing, buddy? Do 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 do. I'm sorry, I just like that song. Take an umbrella. Yeah, take another umbrella. Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome. Let's go. Yeah, let's rock out together. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. Haha. So, one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Shit, I keep hitting control. Bro. No, I'm not gonna put the umbrella back. Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you wanna see Undyne, right? Put up your umbrella and climb on my shoulder. No! Yo, you aren't going to be able to climb with an umbrella. Damn it! I thought I was gonna be able to get the umbrella. Damn it! Bye, Monster Kid! Ow. Yo, try being a little less rough. Oh, haha. Anyway, I'll look for another way through. Later! See ya, Monster Kid! Scraggy! Save point. 8 left. Me. Okay. Undyne, do your worst! Okay, I was kidding! Damn it, you always gotta take everything I say literal, Undyne. Why you do this? I don't like you, Undyne. I mean, I do. I just don't like the fact that I have to kill you. Ugh. You know, I often ask myself why I didn't record True Pacifist Run. And then I remembered, oh yeah. Because then I have to deal with, you know, for normal and True there is a reason why I didn't record normal and True Pacifist. Normal, I didn't know what the heck I was doing. And I was just playing it on my own. Like, playing without anyone telling me what to do. I spared some people, killed others. I was a complete noob at the game. And in True Pacifist, I kind of knew a little more. Because, well, I got True Pacifist and I spared everybody. And now, I'm doing Genocide where I have to kill everybody. So it's like... yeah. I probably should have recorded True Pacifist before I just started doing Genocide. Why are they over there? I probably should have started doing Genocide. Or recording a True Pacifist before I started doing Genocide. But! Who cares? I kinda do. I don't know. Maybe it would have been fun if you guys see me do True Pacifist, True Reset, and then do Genocide. I don't know. Oh no, I'm falling. There we go. It sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Chara, huh? That's a nice name. My name is... Azrael! I mean, what? No. Eight left. Okay, let's just run into a monster and I'll be good. Oh, there's some stuff at... because there's some astronaut food. What don't I want? I can drop the tough glove. Okay, I got another one. What? Hey, you see ya. It's just like you to run away. I am a ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too, until you came along. Not only did your action cause them to leave their home, but now all of their neighbors are gone too. Despicable, despicable, despicable! You're the worst person I've ever met. I've never been more mad. Ugh, my mannequin levels are going off the charts. This feeling. Eureka! 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 Human! That moment of unbridled emotion, it allowed me to finally fuse with my body. I'm fully corporeal now. My lifelong dream realized. In return, I guess I won't stomp you. How's that sound? Glad Dummy lets you go. Well, screw you, Glad Dummy. Seven left. Is this Undyne's house? Doesn't seem like anyone's home. The dummy's gone! Nah, stop look. Never mind. Yo, Metaton, you in there? Can I do snail racing? I'm guessing that's a no. You know what I've always wanted to visit? I've always wanted to visit Temmie's village. I don't know where that's located. I don't know where Tammy's village is located. I don't know. Move, Snivy. I don't know where to go. What's in here? Wahaha, so you came here. What a treat. Bye. Don't expect a discount. Ooh, I want to buy one of those. Good riddance. Why do people treat me like a monster? I don't get it. Get this astronaut food out of here. Shit, I'm gonna need to use up my food soon. Buy a CT. Okay. Good riddance. Hurt, beaten, and fearful for our lives, we surrendered to the humans. Seven of their greatest magicians sealed us underground with a magic spell. Anything can enter through with seal, but only beings with a powerful soul can leave. There is only one way to reverse this spell. If a huge power equivalent to 7 human souls attacks the barrier, it will be destroyed. How oddly specific. Special enemy Tammy appears to defeat you. Now, I've never, actually gone to their village. Tammy village. I've never been there. Now that I know that there are enemies here, I can grind. You walked into Maltmall. Maltmall switch motionless. Okay. Damn it. Okay, you gotta do it at the same time. Someone keeps messaging me. Oh, wait, never mind. It's the other group chat. Okay. Fucking hypocrites. 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 Hypocrites! Washoa and Aaron appear. Did I just call you Aaron? Time to use some of that food. Speaking of food, I'm pretty hungry. They didn't have fish sticks today at school like I thought they would. No need for a swimming suit. Oh my god, shut the hell up already, Aaron. No one likes you. Jeez. Okay. Hypocrites, what's this? Ah! That's a thing. Your soul is unclean. Yeah, well yours is too, buddy. Everyone is. There's more. I know there's gotta be more enemies that I have to defeat. I'ma check Snapchat while y'all doing that. But nobody can. Oh, fuck. Oh, damn it. But nobody came. Where's that saving point at? Determination? Determination. Holy shit, guys. We are progressing. We are progressing. We are progressing. Ba ba da ba 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 bum. But nobody came. But nobody came. But nobody came. Oh. Hold on. Give me a second. I am confused. Like, what do I even do? I think I gotta go back. But nobody came. Hey, what's this? Huh? Hoi, welcome to Tem Village. Rich history of Tem. Hoi, you should check out Tem shop. Yeah, I agree. Should check Tem shop. Determination. Tem. Statue of Tem. Very famous. Very. Feeling of being watched. I don't know why I'm talking like Tem. Is Tem in here? Oi, welcome to the Tem shop. Let's talk. Oi, I'm Temmie. Say hello. Oi, I'm Temmie. About yourself. Oi, I'm Temmie. Temmie history. Us Tems have a deep history. About shop? Yeah. Go to Tem shop. That's so. Oi, welcome to the Tem shop. Goodbye. What? Temp like? It was 2 HP of food. Yeah. Thanks, purchase. Shit. Thanks, purchase. Hi, welcome to the temp shop. No. This music is weird. Boy. Bruh. Oh my god. There's like no Tems here. I missed all the fun with Tems. But I wanted to play with Temmies. How could I not play with Temmies now that Temmies are not here? I will speak like Temmie and learn to worship them. I will worship Tems by talking and speaking like Tems for the rest of the video. which is not long because we are ending the video. So determination. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, wanna consider leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, and yeah, I will see you all next time with a more Undertale. See you then.